On this video, I'm going to teach you the basic things you need to get your tax identification number, otherwise known as TIN, for your Facebook page monetization. Okay, a lot of people has been trying very hard to get their tax identification number. A lot of people also have already gotten theirs and they have started setting up their page. So this video will be a very complete guide on everything you need to know about your tax identification number. Okay, a lot of people has been getting it south, has been doing the wrong thing. Most people have even used their national identification number name in place of their TIN. So if you have gotten your TIN, this video is for you because it will help you in setting up your page. And if you've not gotten your TIN too, this video is also for you because it will teach you the things you need to do, the kind of TIN you need to go and apply for, where to get your TIN, and whether to go for either a business TIN or a personal TIN. Okay, so stick around. This video is also part of our monetization series that we started last week. And this is the first video that we did on that series. You can go back and watch it to get more insight on this Facebook page monetization series. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, I am Justice Chibike. On this channel, I teach Facebook growth and monetization. I've been doing this for a while and will continue doing it. So I'm here to help you monetize your page and start making money on Facebook, especially here in Nigeria. Okay, so let's go into the video. First of, what is TIN? So TIN means tax identification number. It is what Nigeria uses to monitor businesses, monitor the transactions that is going on in the economy, and also it is a number that helps them enforce tax payment on individuals. And as a business owner or a car owner in Nigeria, it's required that you have your TIN because you are going to need it for official documents, especially for those of you that has car already and has registered it in the right authorities. Okay, so TIN is actually different from your name. It's very different. They are not the same. And how do you get this TIN? Many people have done it the wrong way. Many people have done it the wrong way. Many have gone ahead to some website to apply for TIN, and they have gotten the wrong TIN, and they have already applied for monetization on Facebook with this TIN, not knowing that they will not be accepted into Facebook monetization. You know, this Facebook thing is very deep. Most people don't know about it. It's very deep because whichever information you are imputing, they are going to verify it. They are going to take their time and go through your page, your personal information. It doesn't matter whether you're getting millions of views on your page or your personal profile, whichever one you are using to monetize, they are still going to go over everything, go through everything, and make sure the informations are correct and you fill the form correctly. Because one mistake can cost you monetization, and in most cases, you won't have the option to edit this information that I've already put in on Facebook portal. So you see that you'll be stuck and you will not be able to monetize your page. Let's start from the basis. Why is Facebook demanding for TIN before they monetize you? This is the question a lot of people has been asking. But well, Facebook needs your TIN so that they'll be able to remove their tax. Okay, you need to pay tax. If Facebook is paying you, there is tax attached to it. Okay, so they need this TIN to be able to process their payment, and is also part of their agreement with Nigeria when they came over here to monetize us. So that is basically why you need your tax identification number. Now, who can get this TIN? Is it open to everybody? Anybody can get it, provided you have your right information, whether you have a business or you don't, provided you are a citizen of this country and you have the necessary documents that are required, like your BVN, your driving license, your international passport, and your certified date of birth. You can also get your TIN as a person. Now, which kind of a thing do you need to be able to monetize your Facebook page or personal profile? There is two types of thing. You have the business type of thing and the personal thing. So if you have a business that is already registered, you can also create thing for that business. But then if you don't have and you want to also go and register for your personal thing, it is also allowed. So you can go to the right authorities and you register it. Now, how do you get this thing? You know, I've seen a lot of people applying on different platforms and they don't actually know that this is wrong. Okay, this is actually wrong because there are right authorities that handle this stuff. It's not open to everybody. You cannot just go to any website that claims that they give you your TIN and you input your details and generate TIN without going through the right procedures. Because when you do this, you may be stuck in the process and you may generate a TIN that you will not be able to verify when Facebook starts asking for details about you in the future. Okay, there's always an update on Facebook. Since we started monetizing people, Facebook may wake up one day and request for a particular document, and if your thing that is on their portal doesn't correspond with this informations that you are going to give them that they've requested for, it will further hinder your monetization. And most people don't actually get this. Most people don't get it. They just do things ignorantly, and at the end they get to realize that they've made a lot of mistake. Okay, so for you to get your TIN, it's best you go to Federal Inland Revenue Service. These are the people that are charged with the power and authority to issue TIN to any individual or business. So FIRS is located in every state, so you can go over to their head office and apply for free. This application is totally free. You don't require any money. You don't need to pay anybody any money. Once you get there, they are going to give you a form, a comprehensive form for you to fill. After filling it, you are going to attach your necessary documents like your BVN, your passports, and your personal information, a phone number, and a working email. After you might have filled this form, you are going to submit it and they will forward it to the right authorities and they will review it. After they review it, it's either they contact you that it is ready or they send you an email. But in most cases, when they issue BVN to individuals, that's bank verification number, I guess, they also attach TIN to it. So I'm going to leave a link in the description for you to check if you have an auto-generated TIN for yourself. Okay, so you can click on that link and check. Which kind of TIN do you need on your page? This is also another question that needs an answer. Most people are already applying with their business TIN, and you can also do it with your personal TIN also. They will also approve, but two of them has limitations when it comes to monetizing on Facebook. There are some necessary documents that you need to provide as a business to Facebook to verify that, yeah, this is actually me. And when these stuffs are not available, it may come to hurt you. And even coming down to the personal TIN, there are also stuffs that are attached to it that you should know. So go to Inland Revenue Service and make inquiry for yourself. Unless you have someone who is very credible enough and who works in this organization, if they tell you that they can generate it for you. I have someone that is credible that does this, that you send all your informations to, and they are going to generate your TIN for you for a certain fee. But when you go to their office, they won't charge you. It's free of charge, and within some days your TIN is going to be ready. I had to make this video because a lot of people are already falling victims of this setup. A lot of pages are hanging. I have a lot of them in my inbox, and some of these pages may never be monetized again. They will remain like that forever. So before you click that setup button, even if you've gotten your tin, make sure you know the basis of setting up monetization on Facebook. Don't go and spoil it. Otherwise, look for an expert who has done it before, and they will guide you and you set up your page, monetize, and start earning money. My next video on this thing and setup issue will be on the kind of bank account that you need to use on your page to collect money. That's the kind of bank account you need to receive your payments or set up your payout. Okay, so till I come your way next time, I remain Justice Chibuike. Don't forget, keep creating.